Writing a persuasive essay. Basic guiding tips for elementary writers. What is a persuasive essay? The term persuasive is an adjective word derived from the verb persuade, which means to convince somebody. A persuasive essay is full of convincing techniques a writer can use to convince the readers to accept his points of view or to call for action on a certain issue and topics. Here are the basic parts of the essay. Highlighted in yellow, that is paragraph 1. Basically, that is the introduction. Highlighted in green is paragraph 2, that is the body. And paragraph 3, highlighted in blue, is the conclusion. Here is how you are going to structure each paragraph. Let us begin with paragraph 1, the introduction. The first thing that you are going to do is to hook an opening sentence or sentences of the essay which captures your reader's attention. So, highlighted in green here, it looks like this. Politician and journalist Zach Goldsmith once said, "Of all the waste we generate, plastic bags are perhaps the greatest symbol of throwaway society. They are used, then forgotten, and they leave a terrible legacy." That type is quote. So you can start your essay with a quote. Then you can introduce the topic, as I highlighted it in blue. Plastic bags, though useful in many ways, have proved to be extremely harmful to the environment because they are non-biodegradable and toxic. Earth's soil takes 500 years to decompose one plastic bag. That is actually making clear what the topic is about. And then you will have to state your stand or point of view. So here, you're going to say if you agree or not. Okay? So you have here highlighted in yellow. I could not agree more on his statement about plastic bags. If we continue to recklessly use plastic bags, imagine living in a place with all these plastic bags scattered everywhere. So that is your point of view. That is your stand. And of course, you need your transition to the essay body. So you're going to say, "Now is the time to make a change," highlighted in red. Paragraph 2 is the body. Here you are going to present your reasons and evidences which may be taken from news reports, statistics, real-life events, personal experiences. Please check out the highlighted material because news reports are highlighted in blue, real-life events are highlighted in yellow, and personal experiences are highlighted in pink. So you can find it there, and so you will be guided on how you're going to present your ideas. Now take note. A good essay is backed with a good research. Please write knowledgeably, sensibly, and responsibly. Do not just write anything that is not backed with the truth, with the fact. And of course, you have paragraph 3. Paragraph 3 is your conclusion. And so here you're going to transition to conclusion, restate the issue, restate your stand, and conclude with your opinion or call to action. So the transition here is highlighted in yellow, such as the way of saying Earth is the only planet ever discovered that is capable of sustaining life. And you're going to restate the issue. If we will destroy this planet by consuming too much plastics in exchange of convenience, what is then the future of mankind, right? It is repeated. This came from the introduction idea. Okay, so you're going to restate your stand highlighted in blue. Destruction will head our way if we will not stop using these plastic bags. So you just restated this one. This is recycled from the introduction paragraph. Make it a practice to use jute bags, cloth bags, or paper bags instead of plastic bags. Switch to an eco-friendly lifestyle and embrace the 5 R's. Then you have the conclusion. So you are going to have your opinion concluded with the call to action. So when you say, fellows, let us create a sustainable environment for the next generation, and banning plastic bags is one of the ways forward. That is a way of convincing others to do the same thing that you are asking. And that is to create a sustainable environment for the next generation.